Hey, Crazy Gamer here with Crazy Gamer Models. How's everybody doing today? First, big shout out. Thank you to everybody for getting me to 75 subscribers. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Thank you to all my supporters. Thank you to all my subscribers. Thank you for all those who leave comments in the comment section, like my videos, and share them on Facebook and YouTube and whatnot. Today I got this in. I saw this. It's basically Panzer Ace's Camouflage Colors Vallejo military set. So I was like, okay, it was cheap. So I like the Vallejo model color for brush painting. I decided that's the color, that's what I'm using for brush painting now. So I figured I want to give me some military colors. And Panzer Aces, I'm building Panzer tanks, Panther and Tigers, they're all Panzer 5, 6s, and 7s. So let's take a look and see what colors we get in this kit here. See what we get in here color-wise. So it looks like it has 16 colors and a brush, which is interesting. And, it's got some camouflage patterns on the back. And it looks like it's other different Italian pattern. I think it's I don't think it's only German. So I got 16 bottles of color here. And it's all from their Panzer series. And then look at that, we got a Panzer Aces. I think they have a whole box set of Panzer Aces stuff. So cool little tank model right there. I should turn it away so you can see it. So that's pretty cool. I wonder what that is. Well, I don't need to know what that is because I don't need it. That's what it is. So let's take a look at this. We got a number 001 Torre Vallejo P54 brush. It's got a beautiful tip on it. You can see that. It comes with it. I'm going to give it a go. It does have one long stray hair. I hate that. I don't know why I always get a brush with one long stray hair. Okay, let's lick that. It's okay, probably. Alright, first color in the thing. We got some German Camouflage Black Brown. So, take a look at that there. I'm going to come in a little bit here so you guys can get a better look at the colors here. So, like I said, this is 70.822. And it is their Panzer series, surprisingly. This is also RLM61. If you know, I've been looking for RLM colors. And here we got a Luftwaffe Camouflage Green. I messed that name up. And this is a RAL color 6020 or RLM82. These would be good for my German aircraft. And it's a pretty green, guys. It's pretty green. So here we go. We got German Camouflage Pale Brown. I'm assuming that's what that C stands for, is camouflage. This doesn't have a German color equivalent, but as you can see, it's like a very milky milk chocolate color. And then we have here a German Camo Medium Brown. Oh, see, that actually has CAM. So, I don't know. It is an FS color. So, I don't know, but this one needs to be shaken a little bit. So you can see it's more of a muddy brown. Let's get some orange and green in it. So it's more of a muddy brown. So then we have a tan earth. It's an A and N color and an FS color. You can see it's another brown, guys. It's 3 browns. Oh, here's another brown. This is a beige brown. Look at that. So it's a, I'm going to be honest with you. I don't have any more comparisons to brown. There's 4 browns there. They're all slightly different browns, but they're all brown. Oh wait, and then there's the black brown. So, which is blacker. And then we have what's called here Middlestone, which I'm going to say this is like a yellow brown or a yellow green. Yellow brown, I would say. Then we have U.S. Olive Drab in the Panzer series. So we have some everybody knows what the U.S. Olive Drab looks like. And then we have a intermediate green, which is I want to say it's a colder green than the Luftwaffe green. Then we have a camo olive green. This is also RLM 80. And then we have here German Camouflage Extra Dark Green. It's extra dark, guys. It's like extra dark chocolate, and then it's bitter. So I like that color actually. See, that has a lot of blue in it. Halo blue, probably. Then we have a uniform green. Oh, some more of a yellowy green, maybe. Less blue, more yellow. I'm not great with colors, guys. This is a flat flesh. Like a peach and mango mix. Say that on that one. And then we have a German camo dark green. How is that? German camo extra dark green, and then German camo dark green. You can have your green dark green or extra dark green. So this is also an RAL color, 6007. So, wow, it's like a brown green, like it's darkened with brown. And then we have a flat earth. Hey, guess what? It's another brown, guys. And it's an FS color. I don't know what the FS means. I know the RAL and RLM are specific German colors. So, it's another brown. And hull red. Well, you can't ever have too much hull red. And this is an RAL 8017. I know the RAL German colors were used on all their tanks. And the RLM was used on their aircraft. I do know that. So, hull red's always great. I think, actually, Vallejo's, this is supposedly a hull red Rotobron from MiG. But, I think this is more of an red oxide color than what the MiG does. Yeah, see, that's more of a red oxide color, like a brown red, where the other one's more of an orangey red. So, I'm not going to show you all the colors. The hull red intrigued me, because I think hull red would be more indicative for a red-brown than instead of what appears to be, this is going to be a bad compare here, actually. I have an idea. This just turned into something I didn't want it to turn into. But we're there. So I'm going to take Berg Panther part. Everybody knows the Berg Panther parts for testing. I'm going to take this hull red. First I'm going to add some water to it, because it is thick. And then I'm going to take it, and I'm going to brush it on for comparison. See what it looks like here. Okay, so this is the Vallejo Red Brown German surface primer right here. Their pre-mixed surface primer. And then this is their hull red. Now, I like their surface primer red brown for hull red for German vehicles, but I like this hull red better. I really do. I think it's more brownish, and it looks more red oxide than than this color over here, than the red brown surface primer. And then I think that overall looks better than the MiG interior color for German vehicles. But that's just my opinion. I'm painting the Panther with the MiG colors. I'm not going to switch now. So, but I'm pretty sure when I build my next vehicle, it's going to be done with the Vallejo colors. I know the Yag Tiger is going to be done with Vallejo colors because they seem to work better. So, and so that's the, we went to a side detour of looking at a color. Didn't intend for that. That's going to be it for this video, guys. Thanks again for all your support. Again, this was the Panzer Camouflage colors, Panzer Aces Camouflage colors. Reference number 70179. And that's the colors you get. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.